Alright, this is an introduction to the channel of a new car in our garage. This is my daughter's 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. So you'll notice that she no longer has the 2008 Honda CR-V. That's kind of a sad story. Started last year when she got rear-ended at a stop sign on an exit ramp by an uninsured motorist, and through going through different details last year, that car ended up being totaled. And so that's very sad because she was just the second owner of that car. We had done all the preventative maintenance on that, had all the maintenance records, and it was in perfect shape and everything. But once the body shop got to looking into details, determined it wasn't safe to drive like that, so it got totaled out. And so what do you have now?
2017 Hyundai Elantra.
You want to show it to us?
Yeah. It's the front.
So this is the SE, which is the base model, but it's still got everything she needs.
Back. It's nice and spacious.
Okay. So in a little while, we'll be making some videos on this. Also, we're getting ready to do a huge service on it coming up where we're going to do almost everything. We're going to do oil change, transmission fluid change, coolant change. We're going to do a lot of things on it. So you'll be seeing more Elantra videos on the channel. Thank you for watching.